I am at Ytron-Quadro and I'm going to find out a little bit more about the company from yourself. Tell me a little bit about what you do.
Okay, Ytron-Quadro is a distributor of process equipment. We supply machines for milling and mixing for the pharmaceutical and food industry. We've been around for a little over 30 years and we've had innovations in milling and mixing technology.
Great. So, John, if I could bring you forward a little bit just to have a closer look at the equipment that we have here. Can you talk us through it?
So this is the SLS, the Scalable Lab System, that's recently been launched by Quadro and Fitzpatrick. It takes all of the elements of milling equipment and the security screener that have been established from Fitzpatrick and from Quadro. And you can see the Comil U5, the Quadro Comil U5, the latest development, the H5 high energy impact mill, the Fitzpatrick hammer mill, the Fitz mill, and also the security screener. What's innovative about this is that we've taken all of these devices and we can mount them onto a single machine base with a single frame here, and so it's fully interchangeable, and you can take a single unit and then have different processing options.
Fantastic. And I'd love to quickly draw the attention to what we have over here, because this has been intriguing me for a little while. Every time I've walked past it, I'm thinking, what is this all about? Because it's very colourful, very appealing. What do we have here?
Okay, what we have is Ytron mixing technology, and on the right hand side what you can see is a standard impeller where the mixing is actually not very efficient, because what we're doing is generating a vortex. The vortex then causes aeration of the liquid and then the settling of the particles that you're trying to disperse. On the left hand side what we actually have is the Ytron Y mixer, and the special design of the stator tube, the tube that you can see here, and also the stator cage that surrounds the impeller gives a directional jet flow, which means that we get constant suspension, we don't get any aeration, and we're keeping everything moving and everything mobile and homogeneous.
Fantastic. So finally, tell me about the benefits of being with PPMA and your relationship with them.
Sure, well the PPMA is a great organisation. We've been a member for a very long time, and we've attended the PPMA show for many, many years. Obviously the show itself is one of the major benefits in that we get a lot of new customers, and we obviously get to see a lot of old customers as well, all in a single place. It's great to see that the show itself is expanding, it's getting better, getting bigger, and yeah, it's been very successful.
Excellent. John, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.